681 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 681. Therefore, 681 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 22.3425196849 feet. So, in other words, 681 centimeters equals 22.3425196849 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.